Hey guys, welcome to our new video. So today I'm gonna show you how to change your brake pad wear sensor, which you have to usually change when you are changing your brake pad and rotor, or if the wire got broken. So my wire is broken, you can see. So I'll show you how to change it. So your sensor goes here, right? We already take it out, and that's your wire for the sensor. Somebody just jab it, so we can take it out from here, and that wire goes here in the box. We have two, so you have to just find out which one is yours. Our one is white one, and the other one is for the another one is for the ABS. So white one is for the parking brake, brake pad wear sensor. So to open this up, you have to just push that thing, you can see, and pull it out. So that's your old sensor, and that's our new sensor. We are changing that one. We got it from Amazon, from a premium. That's a very good brand. So to put this back, it's pretty easy. Just make sure you align everything properly, and yeah, like this, and that thing will go up, and you're gonna hear a click sound, and just turn it around. There are a couple of spots to put your wire back so that it doesn't get hanging. So and you can take it out from here and put it like this. Put it from back here, or it's up to you. We'll go from here. So that will go here. That should be like this. Like this. So it's pretty easy. That's how you can change your brake pad wear sensor, and that wire will stay like this. Or if you wanna put a zap on that, it's up to you guys, or you can just pull it out from that sensor back like this. If you wanna put this one from there, it's up to you. But anyway, we're gonna leave it like this because it's not going anywhere, and you can just pull it like this, push it like this, and that's how you can change your brake pad sensor. And make sure you reset it from your car, which I'll show you how to do it in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.